How to shop on Shopify. There are a few ways that you can shop on Shopify. So today I want to share with you all the ways that you will be able to buy something from Shopify. All right, let's start. The first one are direct stores. So what are direct stores? So direct stores is a store that creates an account on Shopify, and Shopify hosts their online store. For example, here is Gymshark. Gymshark is hosted on Shopify, right? So their online store, everything is hosted within Shopify. So when you click, when you search for an item, right? So like let's say t-shirts, for example, right? And then you select a size, right? And you buy something, right? This is all hosted within Shopify, and it's very simple to buy something. And this is how you're buying technically on Shopify, but you're buying from the business that you're currently on the site on. The next version of buying is social media buying. So this one's a little bit different, right? So this one, you can find products sometimes being sold on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, right? And it will look something like this, right? It's not clear the picture, right? But you get the point where you're on Instagram, right? For example, but the back end of the buying process is all done through Shopify, right? And so every connection, right? When you're buying it, right? You'll get a message. Well, if you're the store owner, right, you'll get a message inside of Shopify that you made a sale within the Instagram app. But of course, this is how you'll be able to buy things, items that maybe are sold on sites that are hosted on Shopify, but instead they're being sold within Instagram as another shopping marketplace to generate more sales. And then the third one is the Shop app. So the Shop app is a Shopify platform as well, right, where you can, it's like almost like a marketplace of things, right? So you could go ahead and just like search for items that you might be interested in, right? You could go to all categories, right, and just start exploring different items, right? And so this is again just a marketplace pretty much of things that Shopify merchants are selling, and they're selling it also on Shop app here to generate those extra sales that they are looking for. And then the last way that you could buy something as well now, but it's still very limited, and that is through ChatGPT. So Shopify recently released the agentic stores, right? So only a few stores right now in the US are able to do this, where they have the option to turn on and have their products being sold when people are searching for things inside of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will then offer the item if they're looking for, let's say, running shoes, like what to look for in running shoes, let's say somebody's searching for, right? And so ChatGPT will provide them the information and then provide them with suggestions of what type of shoes that they might sell, and with the images, and where people can literally just click and buy from within ChatGPT, right? And so that's another option that Shopify is providing to buying with Shopify on another platform like ChatGPT. So what is the buying process really? So the buying process is very simple. So you browse a store, you select the item, so like how you saw me do with Gymshark, and then you add the item to the cart. You go through the checkout, the payment right? You pay for the item, a confirmation is sent, and then the tracking information is sent. So all this is done for you. And then in the back end, right, the Shopify merchant, pretty much when they receive the payment confirmation, they'll get a notification to start to send the order to you. So if you enjoyed this video, you could always just like the video, because that'll be helpful. And also, if you're thinking about starting a Shopify store, right, then I highly recommend you check out this free newsletter I have, where I send to Shopify store merchants on how to generate more sales every single week. And yeah, and if you're thinking about starting a Shopify store, click the link in the description below, and you'll get a special discount for 3 months, where you can start a Shopify store for $1 for the next 3 months. So that's it for now, and as always, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.